check status of all servers in IDM console. So now that we have started the entire Fusion middleware server, including the identity and access management server, let's go and check its status. So in terms of the sequence of the steps, we have completed the starting of VM server, VM manager, the IDM machine. We set up the environment, we started the database listener database, and we started all the IDM servers, including node manager, admin server, and Oracle HTTP server. Now to check the status, first we will go and log in onto the console for IDM server, and then we will also log in into Enterprise Manager to see the statuses of all the server within IDM stack. Alright, so I'm going to minimize this, and then I will go on the browser in the front end, and here I will look for the console. So here is the URL to log in into IDM console, and I will use the user WebLogic IDM to log in and give the password, hit the login button, and there you go. So you can see all the servers which are up and running. The OIF one, by default, it is shut down, so you don't have to worry about it, but as you could see, the OAM, ODS, OIM, and SUA, they are all up and running fine. So that's from the WebLogic admin console side. Now let's log out from this one and log in as Enterprise Manager to see the status of the entire IDM stack. So here I think I've got to change the URL to Enterprise Manager, this one, okay, and then use the same user WebLogic_IDM with the password and hit the login button. And it will take around 30 seconds or so to load the page. And then you'll be able to see the status of your entire IDM stack. There you go. So as you could see now, you can see the status of all your servers. So here are the deployments, here are the Fusion middleware components, and as you could see, the IDM admin server, the ODS, the OAM, OIM, SUA, and all are up and running. You also have OAM and Oracle Virtual Directory and identity management. Everything are up and running. So you can go and drill down and check the details on the right hand side, and from the left hand side you would be able to see the details of the individual domains. Alright, so that's how you check the status.